This is an attempting pairing of a mature male Poecilotheria metallica and a mature female Poecilotheria metallica. They are the only blue species in the genus Poecilotheria. They also are critically endangered. They are endemic to the Andhra Pradesh province in central southern India. It's unfortunate that they're critically endangered because they are one of the most beautiful species of tarantula, and a lot of people claim that they are the most venomous species of tarantula. But we have this breeding project going on. The female seems to be receptive. Hopefully we can get some baby P. metallicas out of this so that we can add more to the captive bred collection. Subscribe, comment, and share with a friend.